Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class. Hello traders, how are we? Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand trading. In today's vid, guys, we are going to start by looking back at yesterday's trades, but if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. Let's do this. Right, yesterday we were looking at a couple of euro pairs. The first one was this. It was euro against the Canadian dollar, right? And we're just going to understand trend first of all, because this gives us our direction, okay? And we are in a downtrend, yeah? Lower highs, lower lows, downtrend, yeah? Quintessential definition of a downtrend, right? And we were getting, bearish candles, bearish, and now, look at this top wick. There, but this top wick, but followed by this candle as well. We're definitely seeing some sellers come back into the market. And all we were doing all day, guys, it's one of those days where you just sort of twiddle your thumbs, because we're just waiting for a break of structure. And you can, even if you haven't traded before, you can tell that this level has become the important level, right? We put this support zone in yesterday, and it just held true yesterday. Support. You get the idea, and price has just been ranging now in this level. And, before we get a break, we like this scenario, okay? We like this, just consolidation. Price isn't going anywhere. It's just ranging. And then if we get a break to the downside, we really like this sell. But we didn't, right? So we still have to wait patiently, sit on your hands until they're purple. And we're looking for a break of this still today as well. All right. And it's exactly the same scenario with euro pound, guys. All right. So if we start with the day chart, understand trend. Okay, so we are in a downtrend, okay, and this is where we're at. Okay, so we're getting lower highs, potentially a high there, definitely getting lower lows. All right, so that's euro pound, guys. We were looking for sells. Now, we were looking for sells, right, and we got, a bit of a reaction here. But yesterday's candle, we got a bit more of a reaction. Sellers are slowly coming back into the market. But again, if we go to the H1, we are just waiting for a break of structure. If you look at the H4, this would also be a H4 break of structure, right? Okay, but if we go to the H1, that's what we're looking for, guys. Yeah, we're looking for a break of this level, very similar to euro Canadian dollar, right? As soon as we get a break of this level, say we get a big bearish candle break through here, then again, we are very much interested in selling euro pound. But yesterday, price just respected this level. You've plotted a good support and resistance level, because we plotted it just here. But then during the day, it keeps reacting. You've plotted a good level, right? And it keeps reacting at this level. All right, but so we're just waiting for a break again for this pair. Didn't happen yesterday. Maybe it'll happen today. We shall see. And those were the trade ideas from yesterday, guys. All right. So let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone can please smash the like button, keeps the mental editor happy. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 19th of June. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community of like-minded traders who you can chat with, right? Come join our free Discord channel. Also, part of the Discord channel, we have our VIP Trading Academy. Okay, you could also join this where you get access to all of my trade signals plus other expert traders' trade signals. You get access to numerous tutorials of things I've learned over the years, and you get direct access to me should you need help with anything. So check out the VIP Trading Academy. Also, guys, I think we've now got 5 seats left for our beginner masterclass. It starts on the 24th, which is Monday, and we're going to teach you everything to do with price action. Okay, so you can read the charts and you can have the confidence to find high probability trades. If you're interested in joining that, check out the link. But like I say, there's only 5 seats available, first come, first serve. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Right, trades for today, guys. So generally speaking, right, yesterday we saw some Aussie dollar strength in the market, perhaps back off on the back of that interest rate decision, right? And we've also saw some euro dollar weakness, right? Euro dollar weakness has led to some trade ideas, which I will show you shortly. Aussie dollar strength, not so much. So let me explain why. Okay, so Aussie dollar, right? If you look at the day chart on Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, right? Nice big bearish candle. Yeah, you know, not much room to move into, but looks like a good trade. But if you just look at the weekly candles on these charts, right? So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, how much, you know, no matter how much strength Aussie dollar has, I can't buy into these wicks. I was also looking at Aussie dollar yen, right? Because Aussie dollar yen, if you look on the day chart, has broken these highs, right? But again, if we look at the weekly chart, we are literally at weekly resistance. Okay. What other Aussie dollar pairs were we looking at? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? Again, if we look at the day chart, right, we're getting super bullish candles. We've even had a structure breakout of here. But again, if I look at the weekly chart, yeah, we are at the last weekly low, which we know could be good resistance. And also Euro Aussie dollar, you think would be a good trade idea, right? If we're seeing Aussie dollar strength, Euro weakness. But again, if we look at the weekly chart, we are at this weekly support level. So, you know, they're not trade ideas for that reason, okay? However, my trade ideas are as follows, okay? And we've got just euro weakness in a lot of these pairs, okay? So let's start with our old faithful. Yeah, we've been looking at euro Canadian dollar all week, and this continues to be a trade idea, right? We've got lots of trade ideas today, guys. Like, yeah, lots. I don't know how else to put it. We have lots of trade ideas. Right, so we're in a downtrend. Okay, we've retraced. All right, so, you know, lower lows, lower highs, downtrend. And, you know, we want to retrace, right? We want a nice retrace because in here represents value. And this candle here is bearish, really. Look at the top wick, look at the bottom wick. Yeah, there are sellers pushing this down. Okay, and then all we're looking for, guys, on the lower time frames, you know, this is a H4 and a H1 level, right? This is the H4,
Okay, and then if we drop down to the H1, we are just looking for a break of this level, right? And all I will do, guys, is put in an alarm. I'm going to put in an alarm right now. Okay, so add an alert, create, bang, there you go. There's my alarm. As soon as that goes off, yeah, I'm interested. Okay, so Euro Canadian dollar, we're looking to sell it. And then when it does break, guys, or if not when, if it breaks, I will take price back down to this 47,000 level, and then if not further. And this Euro weakness is rife in all of my trades, right? The next one is Euro New Zealand dollar. And I'm just waiting for a nice retrace here. So if we start with the day chart, yeah, we can clearly see we are in a downtrend. Okay, clearly in a downtrend, right? We've got a nice bearish daily candle. And I'm wary of the fact that this is a weekly level. So my target is just before this weekly level. Okay, and this 7,450 psychological level. But right now, that's still 50 pips to move into. Okay, this one has already broken, right? So this was the level to break, yeah, for H4 trend. If you look at this, right, we're clearly in a downtrend, right, lower lows, and I'm just waiting for a retrace and a bearish candle. So this is that last H4 level, but it doesn't look like it's reacting there, which is no problem. I'm pretty much going to trade the first bearish H1 candle I see. So if price comes up to maybe the moving average 20, we see a nice bearish candle. My God, my candles are getting worse. I'm gonna get in a professional artist for Simply Forex who can draw candles. So yeah, I'm going to trade the first bearish H1 candle that I see pretty much, right? Try to put my stop, above here if I can, the risk to reward needs to make sense, or build a trade, and then I'm going to take price back down. All right, so that's Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand is one of the only Euro pairs that's already broken structure. We're now waiting for that right candle. Euro Pound. All right, these are all the same scenario pretty much. So day chart, as you know, we like Euro Pound for sells. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Price has retraced, and there's a level here clearly. Now at that level, this is not a super bearish candle, but the candles are getting more bearish, right? The top wick on that suggests sellers are coming back with a vengeance, right? And again, even if you look at H4, right, this level here would be a structure break, or H1. Yeah, I am looking for a break of this level. Okay, I mean, if you consider a H1 structure break here, guys, as well, just to show you this, right? Price has come down. This is the last low through here. With this candle here, we've already had a structure break on the H1. But, we can't really sell into that. There's only about 3 pips available. So we need to wait for a structure break. And again, we're selling that. And the last one, Euro US dollar, is what we're looking at as well. So if we start with the day chart, and just look at the weekly chart here as well. Look how bearish this weekly candle is for the euro. I know that's off the back of euro elections, a little bit news-led, but look at it. Yeah, super bearish. Day chart, we are again starting to see sellers coming. Out of all the candles, this candle is the least attractive of all those euro pairs because the top wick and the bottom wick are very similar. This is a doji, yeah, more so than a bearish candle, right? But, we are in a downtrend, clearly, and we're getting some reaction here. Okay, and we're just looking for a breakdown in structure. If we look at the H1, guys, there is a level through here, right? There's a level through here. If we get a break of this level, yeah, I'll take this trade on, but this is going to be my target, these last lows. Okay, to start with, I'll take some profit and then let some profit run. Okay, so again, this level here would represent a break of structure. All right, so they're all the euro weakness pairs I'm looking at. There are other trades I'm looking at today, but one more that I like as well is pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so if we look at the day chart, this is the one trade where Aussie dollar strength has a bit of room to move into. Now, as you can see, we just follow trend, right? We were in this, right, bit of a range, then bang, we were in an uptrend, and now bang, 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 we're in a downtrend, yeah? Lower lows, and we've broken all of these, lower highs, and we've broken all of these lows with this candle here, right? Only by a couple of pips, but we have broken. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see the body of that candle right here has broken these lows. Okay, and we have a little bit of room to move into, and I'm just going to take it to the first psychological level. As it currently stands, we've got 15 pips, right? But we're going to need a bit of a retrace. So if we drop down to the H1, all I'm looking for, guys, is a retrace into this grey zone somewhere. Perhaps the moving average 20 catches up. We get a nice bearish candle, maybe looks something like this. Yeah, we can start selling back down to here. All right, so we just need a little bit of a retrace here, but I like pound Aussie dollar as well. All right, guys, so yeah, those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 19th of June. Before I get started, guys, please subscribe and smash that like button. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. All right, we'll look at some live charts, potentially take a trade, and we'll look at the news as well. So America is on holiday, right? And when America's on holiday, you can expect low volume, right? And they've called the holiday Juneteenth, right? You might as well have a holiday every month, July 10th, August 10th. Yeah, I like this idea. So yeah, America's on holiday, must be aware of that, guys. There is some news that we must be aware of. And at 7 o'clock, we have the CPI. This is London GMT. We have the CPI coming out of the UK. Obviously, inflation is very important, right? So that could move any pound pairs. And we've also got PPI at the same time. There's a couple of bits of news here. So at 8 o'clock, we've got the European Central Bank non-monetary policy meeting. So maybe some things can come out of there that could move the euro. And at 8:30, we have the monetary policy assessment of the Swiss National Bank. So again, you know, some things can come out of there. Then you are free to trade until 11:45. If you're still up at this time, I won't be. I'll be, you know, snoring, dribbling and sleeping. We've got GDP coming out of New Zealand. All right, so yeah, a relatively light news day. Beware of the lack of volume because of America on holiday. Guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream later today. Have a great trading day. See you later.